In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix Windows Update error code. So these are the code that indicates the problem, and here are some steps that can help you in fix in any of the Windows Update error code. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. You'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So this is the common step for in fixing any Windows Update error code. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to restart the Windows Update service. So go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the Best Match. Click on one service and press W. Scroll down and click on the Windows Update service. Right click and then go to Properties. Click on Stop. Click on Start to restart the service. And change this to Automatic. Apply and then OK. Then the next thing that we can do is to check for the date and time. So for that, we have to click on the Start button, go to Settings, click on Time and Language on the left pane, click on Date and Time. So make sure you are in a correct date and time. Once you are in the correct date and time, just simply enable the option Set Times on Automatically and Set Time Automatically. Go back to Time and Language. Click on Language and Region. Make sure you are in the correct country or region from here. So simply choose your region from here. And we can also perform the System File Checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Type SFC /scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Hit Enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then one thing that you need to make sure is that you need to make sure that you have the enough or sufficient disk space. So click on the Start button, go to File Explorer, click on this PC. Make sure you have enough disk space from here, and if not, just try this method. Type Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the Best Match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then here, simply select all the files that we need to delete and then click on OK and click on Delete Files. Then, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.